County, Indiana, Davis County, Kentucky, Henderson County, Kentucky, until 12:45 a.m. At 6:39 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated flash flooding from thunderstorms moving over the warned area. Although there has been a recent lull in storms, more are likely to pass over the area this evening. Locally, heavy rain will cause additional flooding. Locations in the warned area include Oakland City, Princeton, Petersburg, Patoka, Owensville, and Winslow. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. Friday, or 1:45 a.m. Friday for the following counties in Indiana: Gibson, Pike, Posey, Spencer, Vanderburgh, and Warren. And the following counties: Davis, Henderson, Davis,